Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, power retractable running boards, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, dual pane panoramic sunroof. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.